To buy crypto on Bybit with PayPal, you will need to create an account on Bybit and connect your PayPal account. First, go to the Bybit website and click on the Sign Up button. Then enter your email address and create a password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Bybit. Next, go to the account settings and click on Payment Methods. Then select PayPal as your payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to log into your account. After logging in, you will be asked to confirm the connection between your Bybit and PayPal accounts. Once your PayPal account is connected, go to the Bybit dashboard and click on Buy Crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and the amount you want to spend. You can choose to use a fixed amount or the maximum available balance in your PayPal account. Review your transaction details carefully, including the amount of crypto you are buying, the price, and any fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The crypto will be deposited into your Bybit account, and you can use it for trading or transfer it to an external wallet. It is essential to note that Bybit may charge fees for using PayPal as a payment method, and these fees can vary depending on your location and the amount you are transferring. Additionally, PayPal may also charge its own fees for transactions. To avoid any potential issues, make sure your PayPal account is verified, and you have sufficient funds to complete the transaction. It is also crucial to keep your Bybit and PayPal accounts secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely buy crypto on Bybit using PayPal. Always review the terms and conditions of both Bybit and PayPal before making any transactions, and be aware of any potential risks associated with buying and trading cryptocurrency.